I am Nanjun Swami M. Sri Mahadeshwara Government First Grade College, Kollegala. BSc Mathematics Paper 5, Real Analysis and Algebra 3. In this paper, which contains second unit, that is infinite series. In this infinite series, today we discuss about the comparison test. To test the given series is convergent or not, we use some tests, out of which comparison test is one of the important tests. Learning objective: to prove the types of comparison tests which are used to prove very important theorems. Session outcomes: will be able to prove comparison tests which are used to prove some standard theorems. Prerequisites: limit of a sequence, knowledge of series of real numbers, convergence and divergence of series, properties of convergence and related examples. Recap: studied geometric series and its properties. The definition of a series, positive series. The definition: a series summation un is said to be series of positive terms if un is greater than 0 for all n belongs to n. Theorem: a series of positive terms either converges or diverges to infinity. Note: this theorem is proved in the session 17. Comparison test form 1. Comparison test. We have 5 forms of comparison tests. They are as follows. Out of 5 forms of comparison test, it is first comparison test, that is the comparison test of the form 1. It states that if summation un and summation vn are series of positive terms, and if 1 summation vn converges and 2 un is less than or equal to kvn for all values of n, except for the finite number of terms in the beginning, where k is greater than 0, then summation un also converges. The comparison test of the form 2 states that if summation un and summation vn are series of positive terms, and if 1 summation vn is diverges and 2 un is greater than or equal to kvn for all values of n except for the finite number of terms in the beginning, where k is greater than 0, then the series summation un is also diverges. Next, third form of comparison test, that is limit comparison test. The limit comparison test states that if un and summation vn are series of positive terms, and if the limit of un by vn as n tends to infinity is non-zero finite quantity. Then the series un, summation un and summation vn behave alike. That is, if the series vn is converges, then the series un is also converges. And if the series summation vn is diverges, then the series summation un is also diverges. Next, the comparison test of the form 4. The comparison test of the form 4 states that if summation un and summation vn are series of positive terms, and if 1. Summation vn converges, and 2. un plus 1 by un less than or equal to vn plus 1 by vn for all values of n except perhaps for the finite number of terms in the beginning, then the series summation un is also converges. The last comparison test, that is the comparison test of form 5, states that if summation un and summation vn are series of positive terms, and if 1. Summation vn diverges, and 2. un plus 1 by un greater than or equal to vn plus 1 divided by vn for all values of n except perhaps for the finite number of terms in the beginning, then the series summation un also diverges. Using these 5 types of comparison test, we test some series or nature of the series. There are 5 multiple choice questions. The first question: the series 1 by 1 into 2 into 3 plus 3 by 2 into 3 into 4 plus 5 by 3 into 4 into 5 plus etc. The answer after the discussion of convergence, the result is A. The given series is convergent. Second one, the series summation 1 by n into sine of 1 by n. This series is also convergent using comparison test. Similarly, the series summation cos of 1 by n is divergent. Fourth one, the series 2 by 1 to the power of p plus 3 by 2 to the power of p plus 4 by 3 to the power of p plus etc. is converges if p is greater than 2 and diverges if p is less than or equal to 2. In last question, fifth one, the series 1 by 1 to the power of p plus 1 by 3 to the power of p plus 1 by 5 to the power of p plus 1 by 7 to the power of p plus etc. up to infinity. This series is converges if p is greater than 1 and diverges if p is less than or equal to 1. The references. First one, Principles of Real Analysis by H.C. Malik. Second one, A first course in real analysis by Asha Rani Singhal and M.K. Singhal. Third one, a textbook of BSc Mathematics by L.N. Chakravarti, Volume 5. Okay, thank you.